How to use Edge panels for Samsung phones with Android 16 One UI 8.0. So I'll show you how to go about enabling this feature here or disable it and or customize it to your needs. And let's get started. The first thing you need to know about Edge panels is if you decide that you want to leave it on and it's just right here, in order for this to go back into the side or the edge of your display, just tap away from it. The next thing you can do is, let's just say it is not available or currently not turned on. You can go into the quick access of your Samsung phone, tap on the settings right here, then type in the words Edge panels. This is the fastest way to find it and turn it on or off. It is also part of the main display settings, so go into display settings and you'll find it. Now you can turn it on and off from here or tap on the words itself and it'll take you exactly where you need to go next. So now that you're here, you can again turn it on and off or go into the Edge panels. Now while you're here, once you decide that you turn it off from here, you will no longer have it on the edge of your screen. So if you want to turn it off, that's what you would do. However, if you decide that you want to keep it on and make changes to it, the first thing you need to know is the panels area. By going into this here, you can add multiple panels. At default, it will give you just the apps only here, and you can edit the apps and choose what you want to add or remove, which I'll show you in a moment. So let's just say you want to add some more panels. So you have these here, such as the weather, you got tools here, and a few more others that your Samsung phone comes with. Now let's just say I decide to go with these four here. And each one of these, when you select it, you'll notice there is now an edit option. So the same way you can edit what I'm about to show you for the apps, you are able to also edit that of the other panels here. So let's say now I want to edit that of the apps panel. So I'll tap on the word edit and it's going to take me right here. What's shown here is what's available to add into the panels. Now, if you go down here, if you have multiple panels, multiple apps in the panel area itself here, you'll notice there is these little minus signs there on every app that's already in the Edge panel itself. So if you want to remove this one here, you'll tap on the minus and that's going to remove it for you. If you do decide to add some more here, you can come here now and add in that you want. So maybe you want Gmail to be there, perhaps a game on the side there, so you can quickly access it, and something that'll allow you to maybe search Google quickly and you just have it there. So the more you add, the more the panel expands, and this applies for other Edge panels as well. Now, once you are done with all these changes here, you can come out of here and of course back out of here. One more thing is the handle section. This here is how the handle, which is this here right there, will appear. At default, it'll be set to the white color, but you can also choose different colors for that panel. And as you can see, it's actually changing. You can also increase the transparency of it as to how visible it is and how long it is, as well as how thick it is. Notice the thick one makes it stand out a lot more there. And that's it for this here. And you can also lock the handle position, which means it won't be moving around. You can also position it to either appear on the left side or on the right side here, and you can choose that. So locking will prevent this from moving around while you're on the home screen or in another app, okay, just so you know. And it just adjusts it from here as to the last position you want it to be before coming out from this section here. Now, once you're done with all these changes here, you can always come back out of here, come out of here. And of course, now we have the Edge panel here available. So again, you can just simply just swipe like this here. And to navigate to the other Edge panels, you will just swipe like this here, and it'll give you access to the other panels that you have added in. And whatever changes you made to the panels itself will now show up here, all right? And that's just how you would go about using it. And of course, if maybe say, for example, you want to just simply go to your settings, you can just tap like that here, and then you can just navigate here. And you got these other options here as well, take screenshot, add alarm, all those other extra stuff here, getting an idea of the weather and every other feature. Once you tap on the icon or the function, it will go into it for you. And that is basically it for Edge panels. Like and sub.